I always forget to unmute. All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And today we'll speak, as you can see, let's talk Kaheem Parris. Now, a highly rated young man, very, very, very talented. Without a doubt, we can see the level of talent that he has over and over again. We've seen it time and time again. And now his talent is going to be shown on a larger scale. What I want you guys to do in the meantime, before I get into the article and into the final details of what is happening, please smash the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. As you can see, I'm on the road and put it up. Let me put it up. Welcome to Military Guna TV. As you can read right there. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button and join our family to grow this channel. Our aim this year is to reach 50k subscribers. 50k subscribers this year. It's only possible with the help of you guys, by you guys smashing the like button and smashing that subscribe button. Hitting the like button help the video to go out into the algorithm, and hitting that subscribe button definitely helps us to reach that 50k margin. So let me get into the details of the video. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I pray and hope that you guys are okay as well, both you and your family, and lots of love from the Military Guna family to yours. We're going to get straight into the details of the dealings right now and let you guys get a better understanding of the situation. Now, this article came out earlier this evening. Kaheem Parris grabs interest across Europe. So, knowing how agents are, some of the time agents put out these articles because they know that media outlets will cover these articles, and due to the fact that media outlets cover these articles, these talks get a bigger push. So not saying that the agent is only doing this to get his client a bigger push, but what I do know, these are things that agent really do. But I know the talent and the level that Kaheem Parris is at, so I highly doubt that this is any agent talk. I do believe that there's strong things behind it. And from my perspective, I'm speaking from my opinion based off things that I've seen over the time period doing this type of stuff. So let's get into the details of the article. Funny enough, I'm going to show you some stuff that I realized. So FC Copper winger Kaheem Parris has been generated interest from clubs across Europe following standout performances in the first of the Slovenia Prava Premier League season. Parris, one of the club's leading attackers with 5 goals and 3 assists, has been attracting interest, increasing interest, especially from Belgium. With Kaheem Parris agent Kevin Cohen predicts a summer move for the 22-year-old, which is, I believe, that is some good news. That's really good news. Based on the calls I've been receiving, this is what Cohen is saying, from clubs across Europe, it is highly probable Kaheem Parris will transfer this summer. The majority of the interest is from Belgian top flight. There have also been I skipped past that one. There have also been a few inquiries from Switzerland, but with the success of Kaheem Parris in the first part of the season and the footprint Jamaicans have had in Belgium, they are tracking him very closely, he said. So hats off to the likes of Boza for really stamping his footprints, and Leon Bailey as well. So inquiries started in January transfer window, but no offer met the club's evaluation. Ooh. The club is also in a very promising position to win the league and cup and advance to Europe, and is very reluctant to let go of their star players, one of their star players, with so much at stake, fighting for titles as the headline. They, FC Copper, the club, are very keen to have the player until the end of the season because they are fighting for the title and they are in the cup semi-finals. They believe they have very good opportunity with Paris to win the league and qualify for the Champions League offs or go into the Europa Conference League playoffs. So they're talking about Champions League playoffs. Said Cohen. It will take approximately 1 million euros to get the deal done. And based on his performance in the second half of the season, that could increase, he noted. According to Cohen, Parris may have to improve his physicality to better acclimatize to the demands of the Belgian top flight. I've seen few players, oof, physique growing to his body. I don't think that's really a much of an issue in kaheem Parris' style of play. Quicky, tricky kind of winger. Um, so okay. So the Belgian league is very physical, so transition could be tricky. The technical side and tactical awareness are no issues, but the league is very demanding physically. I do agree. I do agree. We will have a nutrition and strength program for him to follow closely in the preseason. The club which the player joins, we will have discussions with them to help make his transition a smooth one, he said. He added that the player was disappointed at not being a part of the Gold Cup tournament and or the World Cup qualifying, but is still very motivated to make an impression with the national team. I really need to put that in there. That was that really need to mention. We're talking okay. Anyways, even though he has been overlooked by the national team, agent using some very strong words here, people. Some very strong words from the agent. He's still hoping to impress. Parris wants to play for the national team. He was disappointed at not being involved in the Gold Cup and in the World Cup qualifications. Remember now, agent, remember that he was called for the Peru squad, and a few players got the opportunity from the Peru squad to play in the World Cup qualifiers. Please remember that. And his name was in the Peru squad, and he was for some reason he wasn't a part of it. He's a competitor who believes in himself, and he has been waiting patiently for them to call on him so he can show them that he has something to contribute, says the agent himself, Kevin Cowan. But this is promising news, people. This is some promising stuff coming out of kaheem Parris. How would you call it now? kaheem Parris camp. You call it kaheem Parris camp. Promising stuff, and I do believe that he's one of the players. I've said it numerous times on this channel that he's one of the players. I can cut a clip from one of my videos and show it to you guys that I did say that this player is a special player. And I hope I can find that. I hope I can find that clip. And people, I'm telling people, look out for him. He will be creating waves. As you know, I'm from Linstead, and I don't know anything already. We have to represent. Farmer Dintilman. We have to represent. So, people, tell me what you think about this. The agent didn't state any club in specific. Normally, a few people would mention, maybe didn't want to say, dropping it too much of hints, but let's see how this one pulls out. I'm pretty much hoping that this one goes through, but time will tell. In the meantime, people, smash the like button. As you can see, on the road to 50k by the end of this year, and the year start off slow. Anyway, smash the like button, people. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for tuning, people, and do have a good evening or good night or good day, whichever time you're watching this, or a good morning. And big up Military Guna TV, people, and we are out.